Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. Well, here we have another sound effect. This is a good one because it uses a child's toy, something with a ratchety type sound. I'm going to do it like sideways so that we get all of the beads in one spot so that we're not making bead sounds. But listen to this. What does that sound like? If you were turning the clock, the actual handle to wind it, just like that, you could be turning a watch like this. You go. You could be turning the back of a clock. What else does it sound like? You could imagine anything with that sound. It could be, if you did it like this, it could be like a fishing rod. Or like if the fish is pulling on it really tight. Oops, got to hold it just right. The line is going fast. If you did one sound like that, listen, and then add it together, you could be fishing, okay? All sorts of things you could do. Just with an item like this, a simple child's toy, you have a watch winder. Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another how to create music and sound effects with everyday items with a child's toy, a baby's toy, and the watch winder. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.